Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. We're waking up to more fresh snow on the ground, and that light snow will continue for portions of eastern Iowa through the mid-morning hours. A winter weather advisory stays in effect until about lunchtime, but we need to keep in mind that once this winter weather advisory is dropped, it's still going to be very windy. It's a very light, fluffy snow on the ground, so we're likely going to see some of that blow around. So keep that in mind for your afternoon commute. Mostly sunny and cold here tomorrow, and then on Wednesday, threat tracker back in the yellow, so we have yet another chance for some light snow. As for this round of snow, notice Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, still seeing the steady snow here early this morning, but between about 7 and 10 a.m., we are going to see that snow wind down from north to south. As we head toward lunchtime, we're going to start to see some more sunshine, probably not full sunshine, but nonetheless a lot more than what we're seeing here this morning. But that's not going to do much for our temperatures, as we're only going to have highs remaining in the low 20s. So not much movement in those temperatures whatsoever. And notice that wind out of the north and northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. That's going to create wind chills down in the single digits here throughout the day. And notice as we head into tonight, our lows will drop down between about 2 and 5 degrees. In fact, there could be some colder temperatures depending on how much snow we actually get on the ground once it's all said and over with. And then if that wind out of the northwest at 5 to 15 does go down to 0, easily we'll be closer to 0 with this, and this is actually very close to some record lows in Waterloo. Notice the record low is 0, set back in 1921. We're forecasting 4. Whether it's 4 or 0, it is still very cold. But notice we are forecasting records for Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City, with those records going back to 1986. So it's not too often we see this cold of weather here in early November. We'll go ahead and jump ahead to future track at 6 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Notice we will have thick cloud cover across the area ahead of our next wave of energy that's going to bring us a chance for light snow during the day. This is going to continue throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. Now, keep in mind, this is very early in the game with this. Not expecting a huge storm by any means. In fact, we'll probably see less snow than what we had this morning. Generally around an inch or less, but certainly that's something we're going to continue to track. City by city forecast shows lots of sunshine here tomorrow, highs in the upper teens to near 20. Chance for snow here on Wednesday with highs a little warmer in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Keep in mind where we see the most snow, overnight lows might be several degrees cooler, so something we'll continue to watch. Temperatures will rebound into the 30s to near 40 degrees by later this week into the weekend. We have another chance for a rain and snow shower here as we head into Sunday.